How to clone any WordPress website. In this video, I'll show you how to clone any WordPress website. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your device. Sign into your account, and then once you're signed in, head over into the plugins tab of WordPress. And then once you're in here, look for Updraft Plus or Duplicator, since this plugins will allow you to back up your site. So search for Updraft Plus on the plugins marketplace. Make sure to install it to your WordPress website to back up your site. Next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and install a cloning plugin such as Duplicator. So in here, go ahead and look for Duplicator. So this tool will allow you to create a new package, so it bundles your site into a zip file and installer.php. So as you can see in here, there are a few duplicator applications that you can use as a plugin to clone your website. So set up the clone location, local computers, so use tools like local WB or SAMP, and create a testyoursite.com via cpanel, and then upload files to a different server. Now use File Manager FTP to upload the zip and installer.php to the clone's root folder. Now visit yourclone.com/installer.php in your browser. Use Duplicator's wizard to connect to a new database and extract files and update URLs. Log into the cloned site using original credentials. Check pages, posts, plugins, mobile responsiveness, image links, and media files. And then change the admin password, disable indexing, and keep plugins and themes updated. And that is how you can basically clone any WordPress website.